Okay, today we're going to quickly demonstrate how to program your LiftMaster Universal Remote Control into an old 4 series of LiftMaster operators. Now, the remote control supplied with these original kits would have been possibly the 4335E, the 4330E, or the 4333E. Now, these remote controls are all compatible with these. However, we must program the remote control first, because by default these remotes are programmed as with the new Evo series, the Evolution series of coding. So before we go ahead and program this into the operator, we have to program the remote first. To do this, press and hold the left and the right button down on the remote control until the white LED at the top goes solid. Once it's gone solid, let go and choose the button on the remote that you're going to use. So in this case, we're going to use the top button. Press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then press a different button on the remote to exit the learn mode. So now the top button on this remote has been programmed to operate as a 4335E or a 4330E, and will program direct into your garage or gate operator. So next step will be to go to your garage system, press on the learn button just once and release, put it in your standard learn mode, and then press the button on the remote that we've learnt in. And you'll see that you'll hear the click on the panel and the LED will give its kind of diagnostic tell it's learnt in. If I was to try this on any of the other buttons on the remote control, like the button for instance, or the left or the right, it just wouldn't go in, and that's because those buttons are by default on the Evolution coding. Hope that's helped. Any questions at all, contact us through the website www.easygates.co.uk or via technical@easygates.co.uk.
To stay up to date with the latest in gate automation and safety, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter.